how can you empty the hidden trash on your Android device? Let me talk about it and show you some ways to make that work and make that happen. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So first of all, keep in mind that the best way to figure stuff out would be by going to the settings app and managing your storage situation. So part of the device care, you can see we have the storage, which I can tap on, and it's going to give me some ideas on how I could clean it up or free up some of the storage. So if I click on the show more, it's going to tell me how many videos I have and stuff like this, right? So that's something which I can manage. But below there is the trash folder. So this trash, when I open it up, it's gonna give me the trash folders from all of the available apps. And if I have something in the recently deleted folder in terms of the files or in terms of the photos, calendar, it's gonna put it all in here. So I get to decide if I empty it all or if I decide to keep some of this or recover it, whatever, but I have it nicely put together. So that's something which I can most definitely do. But when you mean like the hidden trash or hidden files which you don't really see but they are still taking up the storage, I think it would be better to just go to the main settings app, find apps right here and go through the available apps which you have installed. Find apps which you've been using for quite some time now or for a longer period of time, open it up and proceed to the storage for that particular app. And when you get in here, you can see how many cached files as well as how much data is in here. And you always have the ability to clear cache as well as clear data. So cache is like the files which are sort of like temporary. If you clear that, you're not gonna basically notice anything. And then the data is the data which you might lack if you delete them, but it depends on the application itself. But sometimes my point is that sometimes after using an app for very long, these cached files are going to be accumulated and they are going to take up a lot of storage and they are basically not doing anything. So it's always a good idea to clear it to free up some of the storage and make the phone run faster. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and I'm going to catch you later in the future videos. Of course, that is only if you subscribe, so do that and I'll see you then.